100 body facts that'll blow your mind, and then some. The human body is an astonishing marvel of nature. From the complexity of the brain to the resilience of our immune system, each part of us is a masterpiece of biology. Here are 100 fascinating facts about the human body that will leave you in awe of the intricate machine that is you. In this video I will share 100 body facts that'll blow your mind, and then some. Please like, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Head and brain. Your brain contains about 86 billion nerve cells. The brain uses around 20% of your body's total energy. Your brain is about 60% fat, making it the fattiest organ in your body. Neurons in your brain transmit information at speeds of up to 268 miles per hour. The human brain can generate 23 watts of power, enough to power a light bulb. You have about 100,000 miles of blood vessels in your brain. The brain cannot feel pain despite having a pain center. That's why brain surgery can be done while you are awake. Dreams typically last between 5 to 20 minutes, even though they can feel much longer. Your brain's storage capacity is considered virtually unlimited. The brain starts to lose neurons after the age of 25, but this does not necessarily affect your memory or cognitive function. Eyes. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million colors. Your eyes blink about 20 times per minute, equating to 10 million times a year. The cornea is the only part of your body with no blood supply. It gets oxygen directly from the air. Each of your eyelashes has a lifespan of about 5 months. Your eyes focus on about 50 different objects per second. The muscles that control your eyes are the fastest muscles in your body. Your eyes can detect a candle flame from 1.7 miles away, in complete darkness. Newborn babies can only see black, white, and shades of gray. Every person has a unique pattern on their iris, just like fingerprints. Your eyes are always the same size from birth, but your ears and nose never stop growing. Heart and circulatory system. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. It pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood daily. Your heart can keep beating even when it's disconnected from your body, because it has its own electrical system. The average adult has about 5 liters of blood in their body. Red blood cells make a complete circuit of your body in about 20 seconds. The sound of your heartbeat is made by the valves of the heart opening and closing. The human body has 60,000 miles of blood vessels. Women's hearts beat faster than men's. A broken heart is a real medical condition known as Takotsubo cardiomyopathy. Your heart starts beating about 3 weeks after conception. Bones and skeletal system. You're born with about 300 bones, but by adulthood, you only have 106 due to fusion. Your smallest bone, the stapes, is in your middle ear, and measures just 3 millimeters. The femur is the strongest and longest bone in your body. Bones are about 5 times stronger than steel of the same density. Your bones are constantly regenerating. You get a completely new skeleton every 10 years. The hyoid bone in your throat is the only bone not connected to another bone. Teeth are considered part of the skeletal system, but they aren't bones. Your foot contains 25% of the bones in your body. Bone marrow produces around 500 billion blood cells daily. Babies' kneecaps are made of cartilage and do not turn into bone until about age 3. Muscles. The human body has over 600 muscles. Your strongest muscle, based on its size, is the masseter jaw muscle. The stapedius, the smallest muscle, is in your middle ear. It takes 17 muscles to smile, and 43 to frown. Your tongue is made up of 8 interwoven muscles, similar to an elephant's trunk. Muscles make up about 40% of your total body weight. The gluteus maximus is the largest muscle in your body. Eye muscles are the most active, moving more than 100,000 times a day. Muscles are about 15% denser in men than in women. Shivering is your muscles contracting to generate heat. Skin and hair. Your skin is your body's largest organ, covering about 20 square feet. Skin accounts for about 16% of your body weight. You shed about 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells every minute. By age 70 you will have lost about 105 pounds of skin. Your skin replaces itself every 28 days. Hair grows about 0.5 inches per month. The average person has about 100,000 to 150,000 hairs on their head. Hair is made of keratin, the same protein that makes up your nails. Blondes have more hair than brunettes while redheads have the least. Your nails grow faster on your dominant hand. Digestive system. Your stomach lining is replaced every 3 to 4 days to prevent it from digesting itself. The average adult's stomach can hold about 1 liter of food. Your small intestine is about 20 feet long. The large intestine is only about 5 feet long. You produce about 1.5 liters of saliva every day. The average person produces enough saliva in a lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. The liver is your largest internal organ, weighing about 3 pounds. The liver can regenerate itself even if 75% of it is removed. Food takes about 6 to 8 hours to pass through your stomach and small intestine, immune system, and blood. White blood cells live for about a day, while red blood cells can live up to 120 days. Your body produces about 2 million red blood cells every second. You have about 25 trillion red blood cells in your body at any given time. The spleen filters and recycles old red blood cells. Fever is your body's way of fighting infection. Your immune system can recognize and fight about 1 trillion different pathogens. The thymus gland produces T cells, which are essential for immunity. Antibodies in your body can remember past infections for decades. Your bone marrow produces all of your blood cells. Platelets are essential for blood clotting and wound healing. Other incredible facts. Your body contains about 37.2 trillion cells. The human body is made up of about 60% water. You lose about 1% of your body's water content every day through sweat, urine, and breathing. Your body's largest artery, the aorta, is about the diameter of a garden hose. Your lungs contain about 300 million alveoli for gas exchange. The average person takes about 20,000 breaths per day. Your kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood daily. The body can survive without food for about 3 weeks, but only 3 to 5 days without water. Your body's temperature can vary by up to 2 degrees throughout the day. The tongue is the only muscle in your body attached at just one end. These are just a fraction of the incredible facts about your body. Every system, organ, and cell works together seamlessly to keep you alive and thriving. Take a moment to appreciate this magnificent creation and all it does for you every day.